In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a partner from Facebook Business Manager. To get started, open Meta Business Suite and head into the settings area for your business portfolio. Before you make any changes, take a moment to check the menu in the top left corner and confirm that you've selected the correct business portfolio. This is an important first step because many people manage more than one business account. And removing a partner from the wrong one can create confusion later. Once you've confirmed you are in the right place, look down to the bottom left corner and select Settings. This will open the main control area where you can manage permissions, business assets, and connected people or partners associated with that portfolio. From there, go to the left-hand menu and click on Partners. This section shows any external businesses or agencies that currently have access to your business portfolio. If you don't see the Partners option, that usually means your account does not have full control permissions. In that case, you may need to ask an admin with the proper access level to complete the removal for you. When you are in the Partners section, find the partner you want to remove from the list and select them. It's a good idea to pause here and double-check that you've chosen the correct partner, especially if multiple businesses have similar names. Being careful at this stage helps prevent accidentally removing the wrong connection. After selecting the partner, click Options or the three-dot icon, depending on how the interface appears on your screen. In some layouts, this may appear in the top right area or inside the Details panel for that partner. This menu contains the available actions you can take for that business relationship. Next, choose Remove from Business Portfolio. Facebook may show you a confirmation prompt to make sure you want to continue. This is normal and is there to help prevent accidental changes. To finish, click Remove Partner or Confirm. Once you do that, the selected partner will no longer have access through your business portfolio. If that partner was managing assets, accounts, or permissions for your business, you may want to review your remaining settings afterward to make sure everything is still assigned correctly. And that's it. Thanks for watching.